Here we are at the top of this mini mountain in Gergeti near Kazbegi in Georgia. Second day hiking in this region, although third day here, but second day of hiking. The weather's different today. It's the sky is more blue, less cloud, less snow. There's the marvellous church sitting up on the hill. Sminda or Smita, I can't remember how to pronounce it. And the tremendous views of the valleys here. And the mountains. I believe that's Mount Kazbegi. That's the big one. That could well be the highest mountain in Georgia. Snow peaks. And yeah, this is the tourist entrance to the church. Beautiful and tranquil up here.